If you're just beginning in business, a lesson that I just learned that you definitely want to hear is about products. Do not pick showcase products as your first product. My name is Preston. I am 19 years old. I've been studying business since I was 13. I'm currently 19. I definitely know what I'm talking about. A showcase product is something that looks good but doesn't have a lot of value when it comes to completing a specific task or usefulness function. So you have showcase products, which are more stylish things, and then value products, which are more function based, that help do things faster, more efficiently, and so on. One thing you don't want to do when you just start out in business is pick a showcase product, all right? I'm not saying that you don't have to pick this product or type of product, but it's way easier to sell something that has a value and function towards people. For me, one of my first mistakes was I picked a showcase product, and there's ways to sell this specific product, especially if you get a design that's good enough to attract eyes. It's just harder to sell in the beginning. Way easier to sell gadgets that do specific things because, first off, it's more interesting. It's way easier to make video ideas about it, and it actually adds a good amount of value to other people's life or entertainment. Whereas a showcase product usually does provide value and entertainment in some way. It's a product, but it's more reliant based off of how it looks and how well it's built. What's so hard about a showcase product is that it's harder to make videos on this. And when I mean videos, it's harder to promote it to an audience. One of the final reasons that I can tell you from experience on selling a showcase product is that you're fighting with name brands, all right? Whatever type of industry you're in, there's going to be big name brands selling the same things you are. And usually people decide to go with them because they're well known in their value and their durability of their product. So you can fight them on style in the beginning, but if the product is something like a water bottle, which was my first product, it's harder to sell that because it doesn't have a direct correlation with results or value, because hydration is healthy, but it's kind of like whey protein in the gym. It's something that people need, but they don't know they need it. So it's really hard to sell. You can make a stylish water bottle and get some sales off of that, even if it's really durable, but you're fighting big brands with this, and that is a really hard thing. But if you do unlock that type of skill or ability to sell that, you will profit very largely. So this was another lesson that I've recently learned, and I hope that I saved you guys from making this mistake, because this was a big mistake. And I'm not saying that you don't ever have to sell these types of products, but it would be easier to start on a product that had direct value and functionality in the beginning. Feel free to follow along, because my whole mission on this channel is to share with you guys how you can be successful in your life, in your business, socially, and through a relationship. My goal is to make you better, and I hope I was able to do that. If you want to learn more, go check out some more videos, and I hope I see you on the next one. Peace out.